I, this is a song I wrote about Victoria's old custom house, which we're trying to restore.
And where is it?
It's in the harbor here in Victoria.
It's that red house.
It's the red house.
What was her name? Teen Elliott?
Teen's house, yeah. The left side of it.
And Larry Peck is the one that's spearheading it, right?
That's correct.
All right.
Save the seagull, save it now, make it work. I don't know how. It was built a long time ago, part of our past. Oh, don't you know? It brought in goods from other lands, sent things out over shifting sands. Brought in rum, molasses too, all good things for me and you. Everything had to pass inspection if it came in our direction. There weren't too many on this isle, and they've been shut down for a while. Angus Bryan